Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll see how to connect Google Sheets with Google Calendar using Integrately. Automatically create calendar events directly from your Google Sheets. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To begin, select Google Sheets as your first application, and then Google Calendar as your second. Now activate the pre-built automation that creates a Google Calendar event for each new Google Sheets row. First, connect your Google Sheets account and grant the necessary permissions. Next, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet that will trigger the automation, and then click Continue. After that, connect your Google Calendar account and choose the specific calendar where new events will be created. In the Automation Builder, map the data from your spreadsheet, like the event title, description, location, start time, and end time, to the corresponding fields in Google Calendar. Once everything is mapped, test the automation and turn it on to make it live. You'll find the direct links to set up this automation in the description below. And that's it! We just learned how to connect Google Sheets with Google Calendar using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.